Singizwe Chabangu, the fake senator panguva ino oyachiudzwa makunun'unu magara mwoyo vanauye kustopa Nelson Chamisa kuti afome a new party yari kuda kufoma panguva ino achimuti uchiri president wekune imwe political party. Ndisapera mashoko ari kuda panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunze vana Singizwe Chabangu, these are just fake senators, ma-imposters, vanhu vari kuonekwa kunze they are just trying kuisa ma-obstacles kufreedom yemunyika yeZimbabwe. Ndisapera mashoko abuda kwa panguva ino yesomuda panguva ine kuti Singizwe Chabangu is one of the Zvigananda zvinobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Now to another Facebook user anobuda panguva ino achiti the constitution. When it comes to the laws, you can implement it while in power or not. But what I know, the law is stubborn. It will apply as it is. Chabangu says. Nelson Chamisa can form a new political party. Why? What is the sections of the Zimbabwean constitution which says that? And I'm surprised when Chamisa was the president of the CCC, there was noise about the CCC not having the constitution and structures. So what is this Chabangu speaking about? That one question. There is news of opposition politicians joining ZANU-PF. Why is this idiot sellout go to the courts to stop them? That's question 2. Lavison, I think you must read this. The law of the land, our constitution says, I quote, section 2167 A, the choice of association and choice. I can't phrase it out. Visit those sections and clarify Lavison Chambati and all ZANU-PF candidates. You will be answered unless you don't know the laws of the land. The law is stubborn. You can abuse it, but it will catch up with you. The constitution is the law of the land. Country on earth. We need new leaders. Viva Zimbabwe. Pasine Zvigananda. Pasine corruption. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva inotakwa na Vincent Cherera. Panguva ino achiti no to corruption, no to Zvigananda, no to vana Singizwe Chabangu vanoonekwa kunzi vanoda kuabhuza mutemo. But what we know, mutemo uchazovabata zvakupamberi apo. Enda kuma section medu dzapfuura aimo tudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, continue to on the bell icon.